Pause this video before you are going to buy concealer because I am going to show you concealer starting from 100 rupees. So stay tuned and watch it till the end. First one is from Inside Cosmetics. I got this product recently and trust me, I literally regret for not buying this concealer for so long. ये वाली कंसीलर काफी ज्यादा वायरल थी इंस्टाग्राम पे, पता नहीं मैंने अभी तक क्यों नहीं खरीदा. मैं हमेशा चाहती थी इसको ट्राई करना, लेकिन द काइंड ऑफ texture and coverage this concealer provides is literally so good. You can see it over here. Wow, and it blends like butter. And the price of this product is obviously 129 rupees, but you can also get it under 100 rupees or something. This is the most affordable and budget friendly concealer I have ever tried. Just go for it blindly and thank me later. Second concealer is from Maybelline New York. This is the Age Rewind concealer. I am the shade Caramel and this is one of the best concealers I have ever tried. One thing I want to say is this packaging is so unhygienic. I think Maybelline should work on the packaging. Other than that, the kind of texture, coverage, this blends seamlessly. Sorry about the background noise. I'm not using my mic right now, so please bear with me. If you don't want to use foundation, then this is the prettiest multi-use concealer I have ever tried. So the price of this product is 749 rupees, but you can always get this product under 500 rupees in the offer. Okay, we are talking about the third product and it is from L'Oreal Paris. It is an infallible concealer. This is a flawless concealer. I mean, the kind of coverage this concealer provides is literally flawless. They shouldn't be naming it infallible. It should be flawless concealer. L'Oreal Paris Flawless Concealer. I'm going to show you the kind of coverage this concealer provides here. I've not even applied so much, just a dot. Just see it, right? So this is not my shade. This one is a little lighter to my shade because I use it to highlight my under eyes. This is so good. And the price of this product as well is around 700. But again, you can get this product under 500 or 600 rupees. So I am recommending you after using it for years. So just go for it. So the fourth concealer is from Tefit. I saw Sonakshi Sinha using it, which is why I got it. I don't know how many of you are watching Sonakshi Sinha's YouTube channel, but she literally uses all the kind of products. मैंने उन्हीं की वीडियो को देखने के बाद ये वाली कंसीलर ट्राई की है और ट्रस्ट मी, ये थोड़ी सी महंगी कंसीलर है लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा प्यारी है. सबसे अच्छी बात है इसमें 3 शेड होते हैं, तो मेरी क्लोजेस्ट शेड ये दोनों शेड्स को मिलाने के बाद आती है और मे बी ये वाली डिपेंड करता है. आई डोंट नो, कभी कभी तीनों को मिक्स कर लेती हूँ मैं. देखो इसकी कंडीशन, बहुत ज्यादा प्यारी कंसीलर है. इसकी प्राइस 1050 रुपीज, लेकिन मैंने इसको ऑफर में लिया था और मुझे उस टाइम 600 कुछ का मिल गया था क्योंकि नायका में बहुत अच्छी ऑफर चल रही थी. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द शेड. दिस इज वेरी यूनिक काइंड ऑफ कंसीलर आई हैव सीन. दिस क्रीमिएस्ट कंसीलर आई हैव एवर ट्राइड. Wow, my hand is looking flawless. If you have a budget, just go for it. This product is literally so good. You can just use this product to cover your under eyes, just might be the shade of your skin, and use this one to highlight your under eyes. This one pot is enough for your entire face. And the last one is from NARS. Packaging, ये I think पहले ही खत्म हो चुकी है. थोड़ी सी बाकी है. मुझे बहुत दुख है कि ये कंसीलर खत्म हो रही है. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी कवरेज प्रोवाइड करती है. काइंड ऑफ कवरेज दिस कंसीलर प्रोवाइड इज इनसेन. थोड़ी महंगी है, 3600 रुपीज की आती है, ऑफर में 3300 की आ सकती है. अगर बजट है अगेन तो गो फॉर इट. बहुत 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 ज्यादा अच्छी है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट अंडर माई आईज. जस्ट सी. वाह, राइट. I'm in love with this concealer. वो खरीदना इतना easy नहीं है भाई. 3600 रुपए सोचने पड़ते हैं खरीदने से पहले. Go for this product as well. This is going to be the best purchase of your life. So yeah, that's all for this video. And do let me know in the comment section if you want me to recommend you any other product. Thought of the day, you have to push yourself to purchase any product. If you have budget, if you are earning, then just go for it. If you do not have the budget, if you cannot afford it, which is completely fine, which is why I have shown you all the ranges. जो भी आपको सही लगे आप वो खरीदो. Don't push yourself. Spend your money on something that is worth. That's all. Yeah. Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel.